Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll discuss about Zkteco ProFace X TD. Okay, Zkteco ProFace X TD. It's a very upgrade device for temperature recognizing. It's a ProFace is upgrade version of the ProFace product. It's a customized Zkteco customized CPU and technology on very high tech using very high technology and working maximum 50,000 facial templates you can use and recognizing speed less than 3 seconds per face. You see, it's a 3-in-1 plum recognizing system: plum sharp, plum print, and plum veins. And plum recognizing time is 0.35 second per hand, whereas a plum using capacity uh, 5,000. And while it's a very professionally used in the hospital, factories, school, commercial building, airport, rail station, public area. It's let's see what is the parameters in this include the device. I see already face 30,000 face and 50,000 optional, plum 5,000, card 50,000, and transaction 1 million to 2 million. Wow, it's very high. User photos 30,000 photos, event photos 10,000, and compatibility, security, relax box, and this type of RFID BIOS QR software, Zkteco biosecurity software, and hardware 900 gigahertz dual core customized AI CPU using this device. Oh wow, it's a very smooth, very fine, and 520 megabyte RAM and 8 GB flash hard drive in this device. 18-inch touch display, IPS touch LCD display, and 120 kilohertz EM electromagnetic card. You can use this. And using camera, 2 megapixel low light camera, adjustable light LED, hi-fi voice sensitive microphone using this device, and the distance detection sensor also, and reset button switch, access control interface, lock, door lock, alarm output, auxiliary input, in exit button, and door sensor. And a special function is IP security IP. There's IP68 and IK04 standard. It's very nice. And plum 0.3 second per facial verification time, and HTTPS communication interface. A standard function, access level, group, holidays, antipass, etc. And marks detect. He can detect marks when your user, if in its pandemic time, is using marks on his face, but he can detect you. Body temperature is 30 degree, sorry, measuring distance, temperature measuring distance 30 centimeter to 50 centimeter, and measuring accuracy 0.3 plus minus, maybe it's very low, and measuring temperature range 34 centigrade to 45 centigrade. Communication TCP IP output Wi-Fi and connector. On face algorithm, Zkteco Live face 5.8 and plum FAR less than 0.01%, and working temperature 30 to 60 degree temperature. This means where if your area in snow, falling snow, but you can use this device. Okay, very nice. Its weight only 853 gram weight only, and its operating power 12 volt DC and less than 2000 milliampere. It's very nice. Let's see how something else. Zkteco face plum verification body temperature detection terminal. See the device. can detect plum face, and when you use face marks on your face, but I can detect you. Let's see the connection of the device, what you can use in this device configuration. See, uh, card reader, alarm, and this is the device, and the software, Zkteco biosecurity using software, door lock, door sensor, exit button, and a smoke detector. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just like us, and if you want to ask something, just comment us. I put the description box in the video description box link for if you want to buy, you can just click and buy. Thank you for watching this video.